Master of Science in Food Technology program is an inter-university program jointly organized by KU Leuven and Ghent University. These are two universities at the heart of Europe, bringing together their best expertise in the field of food technology. The Youth Food program recruits bachelor holders from all over the globe, with focus on developing countries. We receive students from Asia, Africa, Middle and South America and Europe. Today the program is attended by about 85 students that are interacting with the bioscience engineering students both at KU Leuven and Ghent University.
IUP Food is a program that specifically recruits students from the South, where food and nutrient security is still of a major concern. The program offers two majors: post-harvest and food preservation engineering and food science and technology.
Students of the Youth Food program usually have a very diverse background, which personally I think is very enriching, not only for the students but also for us professors, as we get questions from various backgrounds. Yet at the same time it's also quite challenging. Now, personally in my course, Thermal Processing of Foods, which is an engineering-based course, I deal with this challenge by often linking back to basic mathematical skills they should know, and in the tutorials we provide exercises with increasing complexity. Also, we give extra exercises of advanced challenges for the ones with an explicit engineering background. Now, what I experience every year and I really like is that students, because of their diverse and complementary background, they also often help one another.
I chose this program because of the reputation, first of all, of the universities that are organizing the program, and second of all, because of the alumni that come from this program and institutions, what they're doing in the world. It's just amazing.
As a microbiologist, I wanted to redirect what I was studying, and following the IUP Food program seemed like the most logical thing to do. Here I was given an opportunity to study what I like, which is fermentation, and also which country to do it is going to be better than Belgium. Here they have amazing beer, amazing cheese, and in general, two of the best universities in food technology, Ghent University and KU Leuven.
If one would ask me, do you ever regret leaving home to go and pursue your career, I would say definitely not. The reason is I've got an opportunity to learn from one of the very best universities in Europe, an experience and opportunity I would never regret taking on.
As a chemical engineer, I decided to study the IUP Food program because I really wanted a high-level education from Europe. I was always interested in the food industry and how the food industry works, so I am really excited that I have enrolled in this program.
It's not really just about the education, it's not really just about the knowledge that I'm going to attain. Yes, we are being taught by the best professors in food science and technology, but then of course, there's more to it. And I think the much more important thing here is that really the journey of learning with very interested individuals that are so curious and are, well, a few are already experts in their fields.
Youth Food is a research-based education program of high academic standards. The courses are delivered by academic experts internationally recognized in their field of expertise. We also involve external experts from different organizations, for example, experts with extensive experience in the South.
My name is Erasa Odua. I'm from Kenya, and today is my graduation day, and I'm very happy and thrilled after 2 years of my study. I finally see the fruit of my labor. It's really a good place to be, considering I took food technology and bioscience engineering in Ghent University. It's one of the best places you can ever want to be, because this course enables different cultural people, diversity, learning from different people. There is different growth, and it's an experience that you can never regret.
My name is Eleonora, and I'm one of the FLIR Awards awardee from 2020. I'm just graduated. I couldn't feel more grateful than today, I guess. Learning in English was not an easy process for me personally, and I learned a lot, and I like the multicultural process that I found a lot of people from all around the world in IUP Food, especially, and also to learn from great professors. It was such a blessing for me. I also learned a lot from all of my friends, from not only from Indonesia, but also from Kenya, from Latin America, and it's really nice to meet a lot of people and make connection.
This program is the best, I think, in Europe or in the world for food technology. So I encourage you to apply for the same program because they have a lot of network. So I'm sure that you can expand your, your career or even get more knowledge, and you will be acknowledged by other people too.
IUP Food offers a strong educational program preparing its graduates to be food technologists of the future. Our graduates are employed in different food-related sectors, many in key positions in academic institutes, private sector, government, research institutes, and NGOs. A substantial part of our graduates continues with PhD studies, many in top universities.
So after I finished my first year's experience, 1 semester in Kent University and 1 semester in KU11, I decided to spend my second years of my master in KU11, and I do a master thesis in Laboratory of Food Technology. And I really fascinated in post-harvest in general. And after I finished my master project, since I got the opportunity to stay in the lab to continue the PhD, I grabbed that opportunity immediately. So my PhD, I start my PhD right now, first years, and my project actually the expansion of my master program, and I continue to work the quality of the common beans to tackle the hard to cook phenomena, which like a common defect in beans in general. So to help to improve the quality and to promote bean consumption in general.
So one of the things that I've learned through the program that I think I will apply in the future is how to preserve food, and I think food insecurity is still a problem, especially back home. And of course, some of these things that we've learned throughout the program will help us, most of the graduates, to bring this information back home, and of course try to apply it through the community, and also some of the companies and factories that are still back home. So aspects to do with food preservation, storage and processing, and especially because my master topic was dealing with a hard to cook phenomenon, and it's also something that I'm also working on during my PhD now at the moment. So I think it's going to be something that is going to be also part of my future, how to properly store beans and to make sure that it's stable enough so that we have continuous supply of these foods for a long time.